My name is Pat Lewis, and I'm representing Birthday Club Group A. Woo woo! Well, I was asked by Penny Johnson to create a birthday card tutorial, and I was like, I never done one of those before, and like, why not? So you will be witnessing my very first video card tutorial for the birthday club. I hope that you get something out of it and be inspired by my creative senses and enjoy. Here we go. Okay, I put all my supplies together that I will be using for this video tutorial. Right over here, I have my dies by Gina Marie Designs. Those my first. This will be my first time using those. Silk black flowers, some bling, and a few little paper leaves. Some adhesive, clear adhesive dots, hammered paper, and some copper paper, and happy birthday die from Simon Says stamp. And here is the card that we will be creating on today. Isn't it gorgeous? Some special person for the month of June will be receiving this card. Yay! So, let's get started. I have pre-cut a few of my items already. And I love to use the We Are Memory Keepers stamp tool to use as a placement, to assist me with placement. And I'm going to start out with we're going to make A2 cards. So I just need to make 2 more. So here are my bases. So I'm going to score those with my Martha Stewart scoring tool and my handy dandy bone folder. So just make sure I'm staying in the view. So this is Crafter's Companion hammered cardstock. First time using it, and it's wonderful. So I'm going to score this horizontally. And this paper is very nice, very strong, doesn't buckle. Here we are. Do the other one. Scoring again at A2 horizontally. And I don't use the original bone folder that came with the device, because this one gives a much better crease result. And here we are, 2 bases. And now I have this beautiful copper. Oh, I love metallics. Paper that will be our first matte base. So I'm going to be using, again, the Gina Marie Design dies. One bigger and one smaller. And I'm going to use my Gemini Junior. To do die cut the metallic copper paper. And yes, I love my Gemini. I love my gadgets. I love my tools. So I'm going to take this down so it won't move, and I won't destroy the paper. This gorgeous paper. I cut it down to size, which you don't have to, but I did it for the sake of the video. Bring my Gemini over. Make sure everything is straight. Voila, that is cut. And it's gorgeous. See this? Very pretty. I'm going to do the other one. I love making nice, almost on the modern, like elegant side of cards. I like to give people cards that I would like to see or receive. So that came out beautifully. I love my Gemini Junior. And you see her big sister over here. Okay, that came out wonderfully. And now I'm going to put that to the side. And now I'm going to grab the smaller base. I'm going to put that this way. And put a little tape so it won't go anywhere. And I won't waste paper because this is some very nice paper. And this is going to be the smaller mat of the card. Sorry, folks, I just have to make sure I was still recording. There we go. Perfect. And we're going to do the other side. Face down, and then I'm going to bring it up so it won't mess up my magnetic die. My magnetic mat, sorry. And this is really some nice sturdy paper. Okay, that's cut. Keep these for scraps. Trying to release this from the die. The Gemini is powerful. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Very nice. Now we're going to use the happy birthday die. I had already used my Xyron Creative Station here to create an adhesive. So it's going to be like a sticker. Once I remove it from its backing. And so that'll be less, it will be less adhesive going through the die cut. And actually it's the first time I remembered to do it. Usually I do it afterwards. And then I have to try to remove all this adhesive so it won't show. So here we have one die. One down, and it cut beautifully. I just love this die. I think I received it free for my birthday from Simon Says Stamp. It's one of their dies, script die. There we are, gorgeous. I'm going to do another one since I need one more card for my birthday club. Add the washi tape. Make sure I bring it up so I won't cut into my mat. Here we are. And like I say, I like to use this for layering and designing. Put that to the side. Now I have my die cut. Everything's cut. Now I can turn off my machine. The vacuum kind of came off, but it's okay. We're going to use this shortly. And move this over to the side. Now we're going to mat everything together. Now I have my two bases. I put this base down. I'm going to use my handy dandy Xyron station to add adhesive to the back. And in this way we're ensuring that it won't come loose. Okay, and that's complete. Now I can put my handy dandy Xyron stick maker up. Now here we are with our base. Burnish that. I use my little burnishing tool to smooth things out. So, I'm going to peel off the covering. And like I said, I use this to align. I don't have to use the magnets, but I will to just give it a little hold it down. And I'm going to eyeball this, remove it from this backing without destroying the paper. And make sure it's straight. And voila, it is. Now I'm going to use this to smooth it out. Now my next step is to use one of my bases. My next mat base. I'll place it and eyeball it. Perfect. And use this to seal the mat. Now it has a little adhesive coming around. I'm going to use my adhesive remover to remove that. Sorry, people. Moved a little bit too much. Camera fell. Let me make sure everything is still intact. Okay, you're still going. Now the next step is use the happy birthday die. I'm going to use my new We Are Memory Keepers embellishment tool to remove the negative from the die. Okay, that's done. Isn't that gorgeous? Get back in view. And so I'm just going to place this, I'm going to eyeball it and put it in the center. Make sure that's straight. And I'm going to use my smoothing tool to burnish it and adhere it to cardstock. pretty already. Now I'm going to use my dots, and this is my roll. I had already moved it. And take my flowers and arrange them however I think it will look pretty on this card. And these are silk flowers that I'm adding. And I'm just using the dots in this, tapping it on the dot so it can be released, and adding it to the card base. And sometimes it doesn't matter. Sometimes I put them on backwards. Depends on the look I'm trying to achieve. I'm going to add the leaves. Usually I add these last, but I'm going to go ahead and add these since I know the look I'm going for. I'm going to place that under a little bit under, and let it show a little bit. One more leaf. And these leaves are paper, so I have to be very careful. Okay, the heat's been removed. So I'll do another one. And now I'm just going to move that leaf back a little bit. And now the last step is to add the gems. I'm going to do this one a little bit differently. Just a little. And these are adhesive back gems. And there you have it. Have a happy birthday card. And of course, someone special in June will be receiving it. So I would love the opportunity to share my creative process with you. And I hope that you got something from it. Enjoyed this video, short video tutorial. And feel inspired. You have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Bye.